Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Integrals exercise 7.3 question number 16. Let's see the question. Integrate tan power 4x dx. For tan power 4x dx we don't have a specific formula, so I am going to splitting it to be tan square x into tan square x. For tan square x this can be written as secant square x minus 1 into tan square x dx. Now for if we take tan x as the differentiation, we know that it's a secant square, but we will not get minus 1 here. For that reason I am going to, even if we take secant square, the differentiation of secant square is tan x secant x, because in multiply we don't have any specific rule. So I am going to multiply tan square x inside, so here it becomes secant square x tan square x my dx separately minus tan square x dx separately. Now we know that the tan x differentiation is secant square x, so taking tan x as u, because it is in multiply we don't have a formula, so taking let u is equal to tan x in this for this, and here I am going to change this to be secant square x minus 1 dx. Here if I take this to be u, your differentiation du will become secant square x into dx. So secant square x can be written as du, and here this can be written as u square. So integration u square du minus, here it becomes secant square x dx, here minus into minus will become plus 1 dx. Now this is with respect to u we are differentiating, so here it becomes u cube by 3 plus, so minus here for secant square we know it is tan x, here for 1 it is x plus c. In the place of u cube it can be written as tan cube x, so we need to change to x, so tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.